just trying to install Visual Studio Code setup. I actually downloaded it from here. Just me. Let me show you. This is what the site. A lot of languages. It already has the support, and it is actually lightweight. Might be easy for us to install it and use it. It has a very small footprint. For example, it's actually only 44 MB right now. Okay, so I'm trying to install it. Just let it come. Mm, it's taking a bit time to load it. Anyway, let me load it. Then let me load it. Just let me load it. Put it the next button. Just if you want, just can create the desktop icon. Register code as editor for supporting item. Editor for certain. Just click the next button. What is the one? Add open the code with the Windows Explorer in the context menu. So if you want, we can put it. Sometimes it might directory context menu. If you want, you can put all these things with the step code as an editor or support file type. So if you check this, it will automatically open in this Visual Studio Code editor. So just want to put it as the default as it is. Just install it. Just a minute. Just want to install it. I'm just installing it. So once this gets installed, this will have a bare bone Visual Studio Code editor where no package is actually installed. So once it gets installed, then we need to install the different packages. For example, I already installed Python for Windows. So if you want to run the Python in this editor, then there are other add-on packages available for Python in Visual Studio. I mean Visual Studio Code. So which we need to install. So what's the my Python installed Python? I mean Python application. Just let me search it. So it is actually Python 3.7 is actually what I actually installed. So I'm just trying to configure the Python 3.7. Just finished it. Yeah, just finished it. I'm just launching the application. So let it come. For the time being. Let me stop this video capture, and I will relaunch it again. I just want to have a break. Just a minute.